Hello everyone, today we will study about complete repertory. The author is Roger van Genderwood of Leidschendam, Netherlands. He has worked over 12,000 hours to complete the complete repertory. Now the main sources of the complete repertory are Kent repertory, BBCR, Boger's addition to Kent repertory, and Borik's Mathematica and repertory. It is a product of 6 years of intense collaboration among the participants of Kunjil group. Book version was first published in the year 1996 by Research of Institute Homeopathic Information and Symptomatology, the Netherlands. It has 3 volumes and an all-in-one volume. It has total 2830 pages. Now some specific features of complete repertory. It has 41 chapters based on Kent schema of order of arrangement, and the new chapters added to this are head pain, smell, taste, speech, voice, and extremities pain. The urinary organ of the Kent are different chapters in the complete repertory. As we have seen in the Kent that the chapters like kidney, bladder, urethra, urine are sub-chapters in the urinary organ chapter, but in complete these all chapters are individual. Now gradations. The first gradation is capital bold carrying 4 marks, second is capital carrying 3 marks, third is bold italics carrying 2 marks, and fourth is ordinary Roman carrying 1 marks. The number of medicines in this book is 2171. The main rubrics always include all the remedies in the sub-rubrics. Reorganizing rubrics in mind and other chapters. There are some rubrics which are reorganized as compared to Kent or other repertory. Many rubrics are reorganized, such as dreams are included in mind, speech and voice are separate chapters, talking talks are combined into rubric talk, aversion and desire for food are included in generalities. Like, for example, in the Kent, desire and aversion for food was taken in the chapter stomach, but here it is included in the chapter generalities. Now we will revise in short what are the important points of complete repertory. Complete repertory. Important points in this. First, it was published in 1996. It was first published by Institute for Research Homeopathic Information and Symptomology in Netherlands. It has 3 volumes. It has 3 volumes or all in one volume. It has 2830 pages and it has total number of medicine 2171. The gradation used in this are capital, bold, only capital, bold italic, and ordinary Roman. So these 4 gradations are used in this. And in this, the chapters of urinary organ that is given in Kent are separate chapters. Now there are 41 chapters in this, 41 chapters, and few chapters are added. So the number of chapters added are, first is head pain, then smell, taste, then speech, then voice, then extremities pain. So these 6 chapters are added in complete repertory. Now there are some rearrangements of some rubrics in different chapters, like dreams is included in mind chapter, Speech and voice are separate chapters. Talking talks are included in the rubric talk, and desire and aversion is found in generalities chapter. Sources of the books are: first is Kent's Repertory, then BBCR, then Boger's, and at last Boric, Mathematica and Repertory. These were some important points of complete repertory. Thank you.